Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart at that point in time. So I'm actually going to get rid of that line there. It served its purpose. But the big level going forward, and I talked about this in Monday's video, but we'll go with the 15-hour number. So let's say you're watching this 15 hours from now. Question number 1 revolves around that area right there at 8,400. And the question is nothing complicated, just where's the price at relative to 8,400? As long as you are answering the question that the price is up above 8,400, then that just means that the chart is basically as powerful looking as possible, which may seem kind of goofy because you could be thinking, which, I understand. Well, I mean, so you're telling me what happens if the price pulls back more? Well, let's say again that it's literally right at 8,400 right here. That means that it still has the opportunity to eventually turn around like that. Now, from the big picture of it all, why is that so powerful? Well, big picture wise, that would imply that there would be a set of lows there. You'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, well then yeah, from the big picture perspective, the overall stair steps, if you envision those as stair steps, are still very clearly going in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see over bigger pictures of time. And, as far as, just building and constructing genuine overall uptrends, it's all about just those higher bases. As great as it would be for prices to just be able to go straight up, that's just not the reality of any market. Prices need to go through consolidations, but as long as the consolidations do chip away and build those higher bases, that's what you want to see. And again, that higher base at 8,400. With that being said, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 8,400, I'm not saying that implies that the overall chart is automatically destroyed. I'm just saying that as long as the price, is up above 8,400, then that just means that these overall stair steps are about as good looking as it can get. If you are answering the question that the price is below 8,400, the next level to ask yourself would be about 8,000. And even if the price is down below 8,000, I'm still not going to say everything's totally destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price were below there, that would be kind of a potential early signal that maybe something's not quite right. But again, as of right now, I'd be pretty shocked if this thing, was headed down below, 8,000 anytime soon. But then again, I suppose it is Bitcoin, so you never know. As far as levels of resistance, this is where gut instincts, common sense comes into play. If you're saying, well, Clay, not only is the price up above 8,400, it's actually up here above 9,000 now. Well, that would tell you that not only has this consolidation remained healthy, but it's just gotten that much stronger from the overall chart perspective. So from the upside point of view, like I said, common sense can go a long way there. But overall, the consolidation continues. It's totally healthy. And as long as the price remains above 8,400, that'll remain the case. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.